What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Philly Cheese. Today we have a special treat for you. We're going to make BBQ Chicken Kabobs on the grill. It's a great thing to have if you're having company over, if it's summertime like it is now. We're going to have some pineapple in it. We're going to have some zucchini, chicken, onions, peppers. It's going to be an amazing dish. Can't wait. Alright guys, so after we chopped all the vegetables and marinated the chicken, we have everything assembled here in these kebab sticks. And we're just going to put these on the grill and we're going to make some delicious dinner. Alright, so we got the grill all set up. We're going to turn this on. And we're going to get cooking. The grill is all nice and hot. We're going to go ahead and put the kebabs right on here on our tin foil. Alright, we're going to check on the kebabs and see how they do. Oof, those look delicious. We're just going to give them a nice flip. Well guys, the kebabs smell awesome. They look done. We're going to go ahead and remove them from the grill. Wow, would you absolutely look at that. Whew. Well guys, thank you for joining me for another episode of Cooking with Chef Philly Cheese. I am so excited to delve into this delicious dinner. If you want to see more videos, just like and comment and subscribe. Thank you.